Hey there, welcome to my Profit 100K review. In this video, we're going to talk about the strategy used to use AI to help you make money with other people's YouTube videos, the pros and cons of this approach, and what I like the look of, and what I'm more skeptical of in terms of the Profit 100K business model. Before we dive into this Profit 100K review, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit. I earn a full-time income online doing digital marketing. I've been doing this for over 10 years now. I've seen lots of different systems come and go over the years, especially recently with all these AI launches. So hopefully, all that experience will help you out as you research Profit 100K just to clear up exactly how it works. Also, if you want to discover how I earn a full-time income online working from home with digital marketing and how you can do the same, then click the link below. Click that link in the video description. That's my #1 recommended online system to plug into right now. It's a complete done-for-you system and it's a really excellent way to get going getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click the link below for my #1 recommended online system. So Profit 100K, basically, it's an app supposedly that uses AI and it lets you search for keywords, and you're going to search the YouTube platform for videos that are doing well, they're going viral, they've got high amounts of views. So the aim is to share other people's YouTube videos based on the Search Console within Profit 100K, then to repurpose those videos for your own marketing purposes. So instead of, for example, grabbing the YouTube URL and then sharing that with other people or just embedding the YouTube URL on your blog, you're basically going to monetize the way you share it. So you're not just sharing someone's YouTube URL, sending traffic directly to YouTube. You will embed it in your blog in a certain way so that people will see advertising and affiliate links surrounding the video. So you can have banner ads on your blog, and you can have text-based links in the content below the video. Also, there are a lot of clever things that you can do with the help of Profit 100K to basically alter the call to action. So a call to action to click on your affiliate link is overlaid over the video, and also there's often an overlay of your link to click before people get access to the video. There are lots of different ways that software and tools can be used to overlay advertising over someone else's YouTube video, not on the raw YouTube URL, but on a YouTube embedded version on your own blog, on your own website that Profit 100K will provide you access to. I do quite like this approach. It's a YouTube method where do you not need to use your own face or voice. You don't even have to create the videos yourself. So this is not one of those software tools where you're creating faceless YouTube videos with stock images and AI voiceovers. You don't actually need to do that at all. You're not building your own channel. You're simply sharing existing videos that are doing well, getting traffic to your website via those video links, and then monetizing it with affiliate offers surrounding the video. So it is quite a good way of earning money on the internet with affiliate marketing. It's a content curation approach where you're simply sharing other people's content, and it is perfectly legitimate to embed someone else's YouTube video on your website because that's one of the public functions of YouTube. And you're providing a backlink and credit back to that original video. So it benefits the initial creator of the video as well because you're not simply downloading the video file and re-uploading it to your own YouTube account. And that would be unethical because the initial creator is not getting any benefit. But a simple YouTube embed on your own blog and then monetize it by having advertising on your blog and a different call to action on your blog, on your own website. That's a legitimate way to curate content and monetize other people's content based on the way you share it. So if done ethically, you can ethically make money with other people's YouTube videos as long as you're giving them the appropriate credit via that legitimate YouTube embed on your website, not trying to just download and scrape other people's content. I like this approach. I prefer it to the faceless AI channels video creation method where you're starting your own channel from scratch. It just depends on how you share these links and depending on how much traction you're going to get with this website. The disadvantage of this approach is you're going to need some social media following so people can see the videos you're sharing. You're going to have to wait a bit of time before your website gains traction and rankings in Google. So it's not going to be as quick and as simple as it sounds. But the mechanism for monetizing other people's YouTube videos via the software will be there with Profit 100K. It's just up to you to think outside the box and come up with clever ways of getting eyeballs on the videos you share. Getting the traffic and the eyeballs on your version of the video is what's going to be key to monetizing this method. What I like to do with my internet marketing is focus on traffic generation and list building. I do both content marketing and paid advertising and focus on getting clicks to a squeeze page where people entering their email addresses are added to my email list, and then I'm focused on getting clicks from their email list to proven sales pages day in and day out. I would recommend that to be your focus, not to get too caught up in lots of these different AI tools and software and tricks, but to really focus on the basics of what works as targeted traffic to your website to build an email list and getting daily clicks from your list to proven offers. It's the clicks to offers day in and day out which gets results in the affiliate marketing world. Hopefully, my Profit 100K review was of help to clear up how this works. If you want to discover how I earn a full-time income online and my #1 recommended system for doing so, then click the link below. Click that link in the video description. It's my #1 online system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get those consistent commissions coming in. So click that link below in the video description for my #1 recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my Profit 100K review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.